another video. This week just continuing on with the mystery build, and if you stick around to the end of the video you'll find out a little bit about what I'm building, and in the next video I'll go into detail. So I'll catch you in a minute when I get out there weighing some blocks. Cheers guys. Never leave home without it. Roll time lapse. getting there now. Not bad brickwork considering I've never laid a block before until now. Pretty happy. That's it for another week. Those 140mm blocks are starting to take their toll on me now. Gonna have some good guns by the time I'm finished anyway, that's for sure. So at the start of the video I said I was going to let you know what I'm building, and I am. So it's probably obvious to all you what I'm building. So I'm building a new pond. It's going to be about 4.5, 5 foot, maybe 6 foot deep, I'll see. It's going to have a window, a Momotaro Baki shower with the Momotaro Baki House media, so that should be ideal. And obviously I've got a Profi drum from my old system. I'll do a video on that. I'm going to have to change it around from pump fed back to gravity, so I'll do a video on that, let you see how it's done, or how I do it even. And yeah, so next week what I'll do is I'll show you all the parts and everything and what I've all got and how I'm going to set it up and stuff like that, but I'm not going to give you the dimensions of the pond or anything. What I'll do is later down the line, once it's complete and I'm filling it up, I'll do a competition, see who can get closest to the actual gallonage, and I haven't got a prize yet, but yeah, I'll look into that, see what I could give away, and hopefully pull in some more subscribers. Anyway, that's enough for this week, and there'll be a video following Sunday at 12 o'clock lunchtime. Keep your eyes open for that, and until then, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. J Mac out.